Well, hi you guys. Just doing a quick update video here. It's the first of March, and I just got back from Erie, Pennsylvania. Sandy drove me out to go see my surgeon for the follow-up, the first 2 week follow-up, and I'm allowed to have my brace off, my neck brace, but he said that I have to wear it every night when I go to bed until May, until I see him in May. And 3 days before I see him in May, they're going to send me the X-ray orders to have an X-ray done of my neck, multiple angles and shots, 3 days before the appointment, so the results can be sent out to him and he can view the film to make sure that the fusion has taken hold. Because if it didn't, they would have to go in and redo the surgery. So let's hope it takes hold. But this is what my neck looks like. So you guys can see that. It's red and visible, but over time that will fade and dull. And I don't really have a crease in my neck, so there was no way to really hide it. But it felt good to take a hot washcloth and to wash my neck, because when I shower, I have another brace that I wear for showering. So I've had no way to wash my neck in 2 weeks. So I washed my neck and it feels much better. It's been itching, so it's healing really good. And he says that I'm cleared to drive, but only short distances, like 15-minute drives for like going to the store and to the bank and nothing more. And I guess I have to do that until May. So that's going to really hinder a lot of things that I have planned for my channel. But I don't know. I could probably go a little further, but I can't wear this when I drive. So they want me to do short distances. And then in May, I'd probably be cleared to drive as far as I want once May comes, but they need to make sure that it's fused before they can clear me 100% for driving. But they are letting me at least drive myself to the store and to the bank and things like that on my own. But I do have to wear this to bed every night until May, when I see him in May. And trying to think of what else. I think that's pretty much it. I have full range of motion with my neck. I can turn it all the way to the left and turn it all the way to the right. And I can lift my head all the way up. The only thing that bothers me is if I try to look down. I used to be able to take my chin almost down to my sternum area, and I can only go 50% of the way, only halfway. So if I try to go any further, it would hurt. So looking down bothers me, but left to right and looking up is fine. So it's just going to take some time. I'm taking it easy and doing it gently. And now I can shower without the brace. I don't have to worry about getting anything wet. So that's going to be great. But it does stink that I have to sleep in this until May, because it's not a comfortable thing to sleep in, but it's for my own benefit. So that's the update. Everything healed up really good. And when they took the series strips off today, there's a little bit of numbness in front of my neck because of the nerves that got severed until they reknit. And yeah, and then there's some skin irritation from those Band-Aids that I used, because when they were peeled off, it took some of my skin with it. So it feels a little rough, like sandpaper around my incision. But yeah, other than that, there hasn't been any pain. The cranium numbness that went up the back of my head and towards the top of my head is gone. And I still do have a little bit of my neck pain that I had prior to the surgery, but not to the extent of it was before the surgery. So it's on the downslide. There has been a couple times where I had to get on the floor, but the pain wasn't like it was prior. So as I progress, hopefully that will go away, because it is going in the right direction. But moving my head around, there's no pain or discomfort. And it actually feels good to have the freedom and to be out of the brace. So I will know the rest of the story come May. So I have to wait until then and see what happens. But I still have some restrictions until then. And then he will probably clear me to where I don't have to wear this to bed, and I'll be able to drive further than just a 15-minute drive. So that's the update, you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one. And I'm soon going to be having another through night flashlight review coming for you guys. I think you're going to like this one. It's the T2. So really nice light. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you again in the next one. Bye-bye.